Hello. Today we'll explore the knobbed cylinders, a sensorial classic that develops fine motor precision and visual discrimination of size and dimension. Each block changes by just one quality, height, diameter, or both. This helps the child isolate a single concept at a time. Invite the child. Would you like to use the knobbed cylinders? Carry one block at a time to the table, holding it securely with both hands. Remove each cylinder by the knob and place them in random order on the mat. Let the child see the empty sockets clearly. Choose one cylinder. Test it gently in one socket, then another, until it fits perfectly. It's smooth, flush alignment shows it is in the right place. Continue matching each cylinder to its unique socket. The child sees that every dimension matters. When the block is complete, invite the child to check by lifting each cylinder. If one sits too high or too low, it reveals the mistake immediately, the built-in control of error. Children love the smooth fit and the clear visual alignment. Avoid naming big or small, let discovery come from movement. Extensions include mixing two blocks for a greater challenge, inviting deeper observation and problem solving. Knobbed cylinders refine perception, movement, and thoughtful exploration.